This is the first 42, the first watch created by us at Tusenö. With classic long-lasting design and carefully chosen materials, it's a great watch for both everyday use as well as the more classy occasions. The first 42 come in several different configurations, all with their own small details and personalities. You can find stunning dials in blue and black sunray, or pure white ones with the blue second and chronograph hands that gives them a little extra pop. The slightly domed sapphire crystal with AR coating gives the watches a vintage feel and ensures you a scratch-free glass. For the movement, we opted to use the exciting Seiko VK64. It's a hybrid movement that gives you the best of both worlds, with the reliability from quartz and the features we all love from the mechanical movements, such as sweeping second hand and the chronograph flyback feature. We only use surgical grade 316L stainless steel, and you can choose between silver or rose gold color. And together with our large variety of Italian leather straps, mesh or stainless steel bracelets, it's easy to create your perfect watch.